Welcome back to my channel. I got a little something in the mail today. My Ipsy Plus. This is going to be my first Ipsy Plus subscription. As you guys know, they kind of opened the floodgates last month. Was it April? I think, where they just, I think, let pretty much everybody that was on the wait list for Ipsy Plus go ahead and get it started. So I definitely took advantage of that, and I'm excited to see how it compares to BoxyCharm. I know a lot of people do that, do the BoxyCharm versus Ipsy Plus to kind of see, but I don't have my BoxyCharm. I don't even have a tracking number for my BoxyCharm yet. So it's kind of funny because usually I get Ipsy super late, and last month I got BoxyCharm a little bit earlier, and this month we're like on the 11th of May, and I still have yet to even receive a tracking number for my BoxyCharm. So kudos to Ipsy for getting that out right away. If you guys are unsure what Ipsy is, it's a monthly subscription service. I believe it's $21 a month, and you receive 5 full-size products. So, like I said, this is my first month getting it, so I can't really vouch and say that it's been amazing, but I am definitely excited to give it a shot. Let's open it up and see what we got in here. You guys get the first look. There you go. Official sneak peek. Okay, so here is the first look into it. Excited to see what all we have in here. First, we have the little pamphlet that it comes with, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and it's Be Free, Be True, Be You. That has all of our products and stuff, but I'm not gonna look at that quite yet. I'm just going to dig right in, and we're going to just see what all we got here. I think that's going to be the best way to go about it. So the first thing we have here is high volume and intense curl mascara. And I'm not sure what that brand is. I don't know. Make-Age? I'm not sure. And this is in black. Let's check out the wand here. Feels really thick, this wand handle. Okay, do you guys see that? All right, and let's see what that retails for. It says that this is $25. The next thing we have in here is this right here. Again, with the names, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. But let's see what this is. It's a little like twofer pack. Oh, and then it says it's in Lust and Media, but the tags look the same. So maybe that's just the color of the packaging where they put the colors. Maybe that doesn't actually reflect any colors here. And it looks like we have some lip pencils. And let's check them out. Check out the colors we have here. The first one we're going to look at is Lust, and let's see how much that retails for here. Oh, okay. So it looks like these are actually $21 each, so that's very expensive. Kylie lip kits are $29 for the lip pencil and for the gloss, or the lipstick, but okay. So here's this. That's a very pretty color. I love that. Let's swatch it here too and just see. Ooh, I love that. Very pretty. Very pretty. And that one was Lust. And then this other one here is in Media. And if this is, okay, good. So it's just a little bit off. They're very similar in color, but they're just slightly different. It looks like Lust, oh no, I'm sorry. It looks like Media is maybe a little bit lighter than Lust. So there's those two. You could do like a pretty ombre with those for sure. Love it. If you notice my lips now, they are actually stained. So I picked up a lip gloss from a company called Vibez. They just launched on May 9th. They were supposed to launch the 10th, but then they ended up launching a day early. And I picked up their lip color in Bad Bee, and that's inspired by Lala Bad. I'll go ahead and link her channel. She actually named this color, and I really like it a lot. It's a little drying, but for the most part, it's very full coverage. I mean, you guys can see kind of the stain still on my lips, and it turns to a very pretty matte. Maybe I'll just insert a picture for you guys to see. And I'll also link that below so you guys can check it out if you want to. The next thing we have in here is Wander Beauty Wondrous Seascape. How do I feel about this? I don't know yet. Let's open it up and check it out. I've never tried anything out from Wander Beauty, so I'm not exactly sure how good their eyeshadows are. Except for, we did get a face mask from Wander Beauty, I believe, recently. Ooh, wow, these are so pretty. Look at that. You guys, look at those shades. Oh my. Okay guys, so I did swatches a little while ago, but the sun completely washed them all out. So I'm gonna show you the swatches again here real quick, and then just insert this into the video. Open that up. Okay, so here is the palette initially. Gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these just right here on my leg. Okay, so the first color we're gonna do here is Champagne Harbor. So pretty. And we'll put that just right. Oh! Oh, it's gorgeous. And then we'll dig into Sea Salt here. So pretty. Golden Reef. Coastal. Can you see the, so it looks very dark right here, but on my finger you can kind of see it has this like light blue shift to it. Sea Foam, which is the more of the greener shade of the bunch. So pretty. The last one here, we'll use a clean hand on this side and we'll just swatch that Sand Dollar here. Wow. Those are gorgeous. And that blue, I wish that blue was showing up better here. Let me see if I can get just a little bit more to try and show that flex for you guys. So that's it built up. Wow. And let's see how much that retails for. That's $25. So it's a mix of foil, shimmery satin, and matte finishes. Cute. And the next thing we have here is some Butter Me Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. That sounds absolutely delicious. I like orange and lemony things. Oh, it has a seal over it. So it doesn't really have that strong of a smell. Oh, okay. It smells just like the orange cream shake from Arby's, if you guys are familiar with that. And this is Candy Johnson X Perlice. And yeah, it's just body butter. Absolutely smells amazing and feels, oh gosh, you guys, it smells just like an orange cream shake. So good. Oh, and it feels so good too. It's very hydrating. Oh, love. I wish you guys could smell. It smells so good. All right, and the last thing that I see in the bottom of this box here are some Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Masks. I have not used Glam Glow before, so I'm very excited to try those out. And and this body cream also retails for $24, and it's a decent size. I'm really happy with that. And it looks like these Glam Glow sheet masks are actually 3 for $27. So very good value. Excited to give them a try. Like I said, I've never used those yet. So yeah, that is everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Plus. You guys comment below. Let me know if you got your Ipsy yet, and also if you got anything different. I don't know if these have variations or not. It just has this little code in the corner, so I don't know if that means anything or not. It says box 108, May 19. So I don't know if that makes a difference or not. I don't know if that means anything, but yeah, that's the variation that I got. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and leave a like if you did, and make sure if you're not already subscribed, you do that. And I will just see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.